Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Phone Link on your PC and the companion app on your phone. Sign in with the same Microsoft account so devices recognize each other. Once done, grant required permissions for files and photos, and make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, or connect via USB for faster transfer. Now, tap the device name in the app to initiate pairing. Accept any pairing prompts on both devices, and confirm visibility. This establishes the secure channel you'll use to move files. You now pick the files to transfer. On your phone, select Share, then choose Phone Link, or on the PC, drag files into the Phone Link window. Both methods start an upload to the paired machine. While transferring, watch the progress bar and check file sizes. For large videos, use USB or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network to avoid timeouts. Make sure transfer is complete before closing apps, and if a transfer stalls, try pausing then resuming, or resend the specific file rather than restarting everything. You finish by verifying the files on your PC, check the Downloads folder or the Phone Link designated folder, and open a sample to confirm integrity. Once confirmed, safely stop the session or unpair if you're done. This prevents accidental syncs. If something goes wrong, try basic fixes. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, sign out and sign back into your Microsoft account, or switch to a USB connection for reliability. A final tip: clear app cache if duplicates or sync errors persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.